So, a lot of people have been asking me how I did the frozen time puzzle. So I decided to take a break from all the other stuff from the code 1 and just jump right at the code 2 and tell you how I did frozen time puzzle. Now, that will be it will take quite a long time to make a frozen mob or entity. So I decided to cut a little bit in the video so it won't be too boring. So that's why you're looking at a frozen video right now. Let's have a look at it. First, you need to make these rails so you can put a mob in the minecart. If it's moving very fast, then only then it will jump in the minecart. Now jump to MC Edit and select that chunk using this. Okay, wait. Let's click again. And now you will click prune, and yes, so now you will delete all the other chunks. So make sure there's nothing special in there you want to use. The reason why I do it is so there's only one file here. I'll drag that into NBT Explorer and go to the entities. Then there is one entity here. Go to the one it's writing and open the position. And we'll set the X and Z position, Y doesn't really matter, to a very high number. Doesn't matter how big it is, just don't get in that chunk it is it's got its position in. Now as you can see, the creeper isn't moving anymore and the minecart is gone, so that's pretty cool. You can still hit it though and it will move according to the client, but if you log back in, it should be out. No, it's not. So, well, that will get back later. You can still edit some tags though using NBT Edit. I'll set the motion to not a number. What this does, it prevents you from pushing the mob around, and also, so yeah, that's what you can do. And actually I'll set the no, I'll do that later. So now if you set the invulnerable tag to 1, you can't hit it either, so might want to do that. And now let's play with the rotation. You can also change that, though you can't make it rotate really. You can only look it up or make it look up or down. You can't really make it rotate sideways, as you can see. We'll set this to 45, and no, it didn't move. You can, however, set this one to, let's say, 20. Oh, look, there it is. Told you it was gonna move. So let's make it look up. Why not? Let's set it to minus 50. And there we go. It looks up. Now, if you want to do this in your world you're building in and you don't want to remove all the chunks around it, then what you can do is create a new world, just like I did just now, and then find the coordinates in your original world, then go to those coordinates using F3 here, and let's say it's just about here. Then you just, where you want to have that minecart or a frozen mob, just put a minecart over here and then just do the same thing I just did and copy it using MC Edit and then paste it in your original world. So it's there. You can also paste it on another location, but it'll automatically jump back to the place where you built it. So yeah, that's a frozen mob. You can also freeze some other stuff, such as minecarts. But there's one problem: you can't make a minecart write another minecart. Well, yes, we can. We use NBT Edit for that. Just create a spawner, and we'll create minecart writable. Set this to 1. Let's have a look. Okay, set this to 1, so it's only spawning when I'm standing on top of it. Add a new tag compound. And now if I stand on top of it, you can see it is spawning a minecart. Now, okay, let's change this as well. You don't really need to change this, but it's just handy, otherwise you'll Oh, it doesn't really matter. I'm doing it anyway. And set this to 1. So now it's only spawning one entity when you're standing on top of it. Delete the spawn potentials, and now, oh wait, we'll add a new tag and call it riding, and we'll copy this, a new tag string ID is minecart rideable, so it is spawning a minecart that is spawning another minecart, as you can see. So we can break this one and go back to MC Edit, select the chunk, and then delete all the other chunks. Again, now go to NBT Explorer, change the, well, no, not this position. We'll actually change the position of the minecart. It is riding, not the top one, but you want to change the position of the bottom minecart. Set it to a very high number. And now you will be seeing something very special. This doesn't happen with the creeper, but it does with other entities. It is floating. And there's something else you can do. You can, unlike with the creeper, you can set its rotation. But, and this is really cool if you ask me, you can also set this rotation to 180 and you have an upside down minecart. Now, you would say, well, what can you do with an upside down? It's not useful. Well, actually it is. Let's add this tag called custom display tile and set it to 1. So now it will automatically add these tags, display tile, and if I set this to 86, it will start putting a pumpkin in there, and you might see where this is going. I'm gonna put it down a little bit, and now I'm gonna use my editing skills. Okay, wait, let's set it to 60 to, wait, it's here right now. Okay, now I'm gonna use my editing skills so I can build a house really quick. And as you can see now, there is a pumpkin, very bright, and it's upside down. So that's pretty cool. You can make upside down blocks. This is not how I did the upside down pressure plate though. That was just a regular minecart with the negative offset. So it's moving the pressure plate down instead of up. So yeah, that's basically the stuff you can do. Pretty awesome if you ask me. You might be wondering why I use MC Edit. Well, that's because if you use NBT Edit, the mod, you can't change the position. So that's why I use MC Edit. That's it for now. I hope to see you in my next video.